Are you ready to take on the real battleground? It's not out there in the world. It's within your mind. You wake up with it. You go to work with it. You lay down with it. But don't let that intimidate you. Because with the right mindset, you can conquer anything. Stop wasting your time and energy on what people say about you. It's not their words that matter. It's your own thoughts and beliefs. You have the power to determine your destiny. So don't let the rumors and negativity of others hold you back. You have the ability to kill it, to destroy it, and to break free from the chains of your past. Don't let the haters get to you. They may talk and make noise, but they're way behind you. You're the one leading the pack, showing up every single day, staying focused on your goals. And on the other side of all that hard work and determination is your greatness.
This year, we're not going to let anyone limit our belief system. We're going to step into the greatness that we all have inside of us. We'll make a plan, execute the plan, and make it our entire life. From the time we wake up to the time we go to bed, we'll commit to the day-to-day disciplines that create our superpower. So get out your notebook and write down what you're going to do this year. It all starts today. No more excuses. This is the year of the soldier, and we're going in like Marines. We're going to get back what belongs to us and become the best version of ourselves. Because of us, this world will change. Remember, the secret to success is not just in making a plan, but in committing to it every single day. It's the small, consistent actions that will create your superpower and make you a badass. So let's do this. Let's conquer the battleground of our minds and become unstoppable.